Hello everyone, welcome back to HR Innovation. Today we will be exploring a fundamental distinction in Indian labor law, the difference between worker and workman. While these terms are often used interchangeably in everyday language, they have a specific legal meanings and implications under Indian law. Let's start by defining each term. First, we will see the worker. In the context of Indian labor law, the term worker is commonly used in various statutes, including the Factories Act and the Shop Establishment Act 1953. A worker is broadly defined and refers to an individual who performs manual, unskilled, skilled, technical, operational, or clerical work. Second, we will see workman. The term workman has been historically used in labor law like the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. The definition of workman is specific to the Industrial Dispute Act and includes individuals employed in an industry who are engaged in manual, unskilled, skilled, technical, operational, or clerical work. Thereafter, we will see the definitions and scopes. In worker, the definition of worker under various statutes is more inclusive and covers a wide range of occupations, not limited to any specific sector. Thereafter, we will see workman. The term workman is more specific and pertains primarily to individual working in industries that are defined under the Industrial Dispute Act. This term is generally used in the context of industrial relations and disputes. Thereafter, we will see applicability of laws. In worker, laws applicable to workers such as the Factories Act and the Shop Establishment Act regulates working conditions, health and safety, working hours and other employment conditions across the various sectors. In the workman, the Industrial Dispute Act focuses on industrial disputes, wages disputes, and labor relations between employer and employee in industrial settings. The term workman is used in the context to address disputes, layoffs, retrenchments, and other industrial relation issues. Thereafter, we will see legal rights and protections. In worker, workers are entitled to rights and protections under various laws, including minimum wages, safety standards, and working conditions, depending on the specific act under which they are employed. Thereafter, we will see workmen. Workmen under the Industrial Dispute Act have a specific related to dispute resolutions, such as the right to seek redressal for grievance through labor courts or tribunals, protection against the unfair dismissals, and right to compensation and reinstatements. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for both employers and employees. For employers, it's important to know whether the individual they employ fall under the general category of worker or the specific category of workman. I is defined under the Industrial Dispute Act as this affects compliance with labor laws and handling disputes. For employees, being aware of their status can help them understand their rights and the legal protections available to them, which is essential for ensuring fair treatment and addressing any grievances. So we will see the summary of this worker and workman. While worker and workman might seem similar, they have a distinct meaning and implications under Indian labor laws. The term worker is broader and applies to various statutes covering employment conditions, while workman is specific to the Industrial Disputes Acts and deals with the industrial relation and disputes. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from the information. And if you have any questions about labor laws or the other topics you would like to cover, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification bell so you will never miss any updates. Thank you for watching HR Innovation.